You may not know much about it, but HPV-related head and neck cancer is probably more common than you think. And tonight on ABC 27, we have a live call-in show where you can talk with experts yourself. It's called A Matter of Facts, Head and Neck Cancer. Dr. David Goldenberg is here to give us a preview. So tonight we're going to have this live program. Folks can email their questions in. They can call in and talk to you about HPV and the connection with head and neck cancer. I mean, why this topic? Why are we talking about this?
We're talking about this today because we are seeing a dramatic and alarming rise in human papilloma virus-induced head and neck cancers. This is a relatively new phenomenon developed over the last 10 or 15 years. While traditionally head and neck cancer was caused by smoking and drinking, now we're seeing non-smokers, younger people with no history coming down with these HPV-induced head and neck cancers.
I mean, how common? How many? What are the numbers? What are we talking about here?
Well, head and neck cancers between 3 and 5% of all the cancers. While we're seeing a decrease in head and neck cancer on the whole because smoking has decreased, we are seeing a rise in HPV-induced head and neck cancers. 70% of oropharyngeal cancers here in Pennsylvania are caused by the human papilloma virus now.
70%?
Correct.
Wow, and that has changed so much over the years, as you
Absolutely.
said. I keep telling you, it's really fascinating to me. If it is diagnosed, what kind of treatments are available?
Well, the prognosis for HPV-induced head and neck cancers is excellent, especially when compared to the smoking, drinking variety of head and neck cancer. The treatments are surgery, oftentimes transoral robotic resection of the primary tumor, and treatment to remove and surgery to remove the metastases from the neck. Sometimes radiation therapy is appropriate.
I think there's going to be so much to talk about on tonight's show at 7:30. What do you hope people take away? What will they learn tonight?
Well, the most important thing that they need to know is that the human papilloma virus causes head and neck cancer. They should know that there is a vaccination to prevent younger people from getting the human papilloma virus, or at least the types that cause cancer. And knowledge is power.
Sure.
Even younger people who come in with a neck mass and say, well, I can't have head and neck cancer, I don't smoke, need to be seen by their doctor.
Interesting. Okay, so again, the show is at 7:30 tonight, and you'll be able to call in and talk with experts. You also can email your questions in advance. That's questions@abc27.com. So definitely get those questions in, because I think folks are going to have a lot of questions. So get them in now so yours is one that's answered. Good to have you back with us today, sir.